In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat the last action in Excel. If you do the same formatting or editing task over and over, Excel has a simple feature that can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually repeating the same command again and again, you can quickly tell Excel to perform your most recent action one more time. This is especially useful when you're formatting cells, inserting rows, or making repeated changes across a worksheet. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to work. Once Excel is open, the key idea to understand is that Excel can remember the last action you performed and repeat it for you. That means if you just changed a font, applied a fill color, or inserted something, you may be able to repeat that exact action instantly. The first method is to use the F4 key. After performing an action in Excel, such as formatting a cell, inserting a row, or changing the font style, press F4 on your keyboard. Excel will repeat the last action you completed. This is one of the fastest shortcuts for repetitive work, and it's worth memorizing if you use Excel regularly. Here's a simple example so you can see how it works. First, change a cell's fill color to yellow, then select a different cell. Now, press F4. Excel will apply the same yellow fill color to the newly selected cell. This makes it easy to continue applying the same change without reopening menus or clicking through formatting options each time. One helpful tip is to make sure the action you want to repeat is the most recent one you performed. Excel only repeats the last action, so if you click something unrelated in between, that may affect what F4 does. Also, depending on your keyboard, you may need to press the function key combination required for F4 to work properly. There's also a second method you can try. In some versions of Excel, you can use Ctrl and Y together. Pressing Ctrl plus Y can repeat the last action, and in some cases, it can also redo an action that was previously undone. If F4 doesn't behave the way you expect, Ctrl plus Y is a great alternative to test. That's all there is to it. Open Excel, perform an action, and then use F4 or Ctrl plus Y to repeat it quickly. Once you get used to these shortcuts, they can make everyday spreadsheet tasks much faster and more efficient.